my name is Miladinov Milos, and today we are presenting our new product Molaris. This is something that is going to be extremely useful for dentists, for clinical photos, and also for technicians, for the laboratory photos. First of all, I would like to present you what's included in the box, so you can all have an idea about what you have inside. So this is how the Molaris is coming. We have the bracket arm for twin flashes, we have 2 Nikon adapters and 2 Canon adapters. So basically it's going to work with standard camera systems, but more than this, you also have the possibility to adapt on every Molaris, because it's screw retained. Yeah, you can adapt different kind of hot shoes, like for example for Nissin flashes that you have over here. Yeah, the reason why I created this bracket is that you can fit almost everything on it. Basically, if I remove the standard and my favorite twin flash, the one from Nikon, you can remove the head from Nikon and screw in this standard hot shoes, or the one from Nikon, or the one from Canon, or you can screw mini LEDs from Manfrotto, so you can use Molaris also for videos, for intraoral videos. Now, let's say that we want to make intraoral photography for taking the shade and color. We have many options. First of all, we are going to use now Nikon R1C1 twin flash, the one that I use the most, and we can adapt polarize filters. So we can use on the lens polarized filter, and we can use this kind of photography to get a better shade. The position for this will be perfectly parallel aligned flashes, and the main filter on the lens exactly like this, with polarized writing on this side. If you put it this way, you will not get the polarized effect, but you have to put it this way. To take the shades, we also have different toys and tools, and I will also present what you can use for intraoral shots. You can use also dragon shade, which you will see in this video exactly later how we use it. We have the gray cards, and we have the holder for the shade tabs. Also, you can use the white balance card from Sasha Hein together with polarize and without. And of course, for intraoral shots, you can use the black retractors and the contrastor to get the perfect black backgrounds. Basically, in the next minutes you will see step by step each of the types of dental photography. We are going to start with intraoral for shade taking color, and also for close-up and portraits and laboratory too. To hold correctly the Molaris, you have this place here, so you have a perfect grip when holding your camera. If you hold it this way, it's going to be very uncomfortable. So that's why I designed the arm like this. Then you have 45 degrees oriented flashes towards the lens, and the distance between you and the patient should be this one. You should be at the same level and approximately 30-40 centimeters away. When shooting, you will get this kind of picture, but you have to crop it later, and you will get a perfect sharp shot. To get the perfect close-up, all you have to do is to have your patient in front of you and take the shot with the smile of the patient, and it's gonna look just perfect like this. Or you can take lateral close-up, just changing the angle, and you will have a perfect black background. So no background required for this kind of photos. Now, to get the perfect portrait shots, all you have to do is to orient at the flashes at the maximum distance from the lens and change f number according to the settings in the book. And then that's the position for portrait. Don't forget to put the focus point in the eyes. And this is what you will get, a perfect portrait with minimum reflections. If you were wondering if you can use Molaris for laboratory photography, yes, it's possible too. All you have is to align the flashes this way, and you have to go inside the cube with your flashes and position it to hit the walls of the photo cube like this. Be the same level with the model and shoot. And this is what you get.